If you're considering Procore for construction management, there are some critical points to understand before you make your decision. Stick around, because we'll also highlight how it stacks up against competitors and offer an alternative you can try for free. First, Procore is highly comprehensive. It's packed with tools for project management, budgeting, scheduling, and collaboration. But that complexity comes with a steep learning curve, especially if your team isn't tech savvy. Next, Procore isn't the cheapest option. Its pricing is custom quoted, but users often report higher costs compared to competitors like Buildertrend or CoConstruct. For smaller firms, this can stretch budgets, especially since there's no free version. Third, integration is one of Procore's strongest features. It connects with accounting software like QuickBooks, scheduling tools like Microsoft Project, and even other construction platforms. However, syncing data across platforms isn't always seamless and may require dedicated setup time. Another thing, Procore shines in its mobile app. Field teams can upload photos, track progress, and update reports on site. But the app's interface can feel cluttered, and occasional bugs have been a frustration for some users. The fifth point is collaboration. Procore allows real-time communication and file sharing among stakeholders. Yet, compared to competitors like Autodesk Construction Cloud, some users find its document management slightly less intuitive. Next up, support is hit or miss. Procore offers a dedicated customer success team and online resources, but some users report delayed responses to complex issues. If you rely heavily on quick support, this might be a drawback. The seventh thing to note is that Procore is highly scalable. It works for both mid-sized projects and large enterprises. However, if you're managing smaller or simpler projects, the platform might feel like overkill compared to leaner tools like FieldWire. Procore also excels in reporting and analytics. Custom dashboards give you detailed insights into project performance, but creating these reports can be time-consuming, especially for first-time users. Another consideration, Procore's document control feature centralizes all project files, but permissions management isn't as granular as some would prefer. Competitors like PlanGrid may offer better control over who can access what. The 10th thing is training. Procore provides free onboarding and a library of resources, but some users still find the platform difficult to master without extensive hands-on experience. Next, Procore's updates are frequent and focused on user feedback. However, these updates occasionally introduce new bugs, which can disrupt workflows if not caught early. Lastly, Procore's community is a valuable asset. From user forums to webinars, there's a wealth of shared knowledge. Still, competitors like Buildertrend often offer more accessible customer communities for smaller scale builders. Overall, Procore is a powerful tool for construction management, but it's not perfect. If you're looking for a solution that's more budget-friendly or easier to use, check out our recommended option in the description. It's free to try and might fit your needs better.